Hey, it's Gina with WTI. I love using a good bar soap every single day in my shower, and I found that this goat milk bar soap from Doana has been so nice to use. It leaves my skin feeling so silky smooth. It has just the right amount of suds, and it doesn't dry out my skin at all, which is something that I struggle with, especially in the colder months. I found that this works even better for shaving my legs than the shave cream that I have. I love that these are handmade. I mean, just look how beautiful this bar of soap is. And I can pronounce every single ingredient on the list, which makes me very happy. It does have a very slight scent to it. It just smells like clean soap. It's not floral or woodsy or anything like that. It just has a really, again, clean smelling, faint scent to it that's not bothersome at all. This is a 3.5-ounce bar, and this is what is left of it after my husband and I using it every day in the shower for 2 weeks. So you can see that it does last quite a long time. I'm really pleased with this soap from Doana, and that's my point of view.